Hello there again. It has been for a while since we've talked to each other for the last time. It was really considered about Jewel Pet, Phineas and Ferb, and other franchise, and even more characters. All of those stories, videos, songs, episodes, and all of them one of each seasons, like dramatic version and original version. But unless all of my plans, my life, and all my evil stuff are always fell to me. It was all Phineas' fault to threaten me, and not just that, I will always want it for my revenge. So, tell me, why all those characters are in this comment? They all belong to me. This is my world now. However, it is really important about all these characters' franchise, which is including Junior, Starlight, Jeffy, Ruby, Garnet, Sapphie, Chef Pee-Pee, Phineas, Perry, and the others. But now, I am going to give you an offer to make a deal. If you going to beat me, that everything you got, I will always let you all go. But if you miss one single sound of note, you will going to lose and die permanently. You can't restart or undo what you have caused. If I could take Phineas and Isabella's soul, you will be free from worries. Don't let YX to catch you. It was really nice knowing you, but until then, see you next time.